Now we're going to talk about how to fold trousers with a crease in the front, and this would be any sort of work pants or suit pants. So for these, the same way we started with other ones, you want to make sure that the fly is zipped and that any clasps at the top that need to be done are done. Now, unlike other things, you actually start these face up, and you can see there's a really nice crease in them, and what you want to do is pull on the crease like this and carry that crease to the very top. And you have a leg like that, then you lie it flat, you try and keep this as flat as possible, and then what you want to do is repeat that with the other side. So here's the same crease that we saw in the other pant leg. You lift that up so you create a flat and you lay it on top of the other one. Now lining everything up is really important here. You want the pants to line out at the bottom, and if they've been creased well, they should line up at the top. You want to make the seat line up with the seat and stretch the entire thing out. And then for pants, I really only like to do one fold because a horizontal crease in your pants really just looks unprofessional. So you just have it over once. There you go.